hell? Oh, so this is this is the front bit. That's killer. All right, so what have we here? So Nordepack has sent over one of their brand new backpacks to check out and do an unboxing and review of. So let's dive straight into it and see what is in this bad boy. Wow, this pack sounds so small. Whoa, that's sick. Let's start with here. So the front pocket has obviously a compartment for putting stuff in. Inside there is also zips in there, which would be perfect for like, not that phone. Oh yeah, your phone does fit in there. Perfect, that's sick. And also got the Nordepack branding on the front as well, which is like a mat. It's real nice, that's sick. Next up, at the moment I believe it's in briefcase mode. So it's like this, you can use it just as like a briefcase. Feels so nice as well. Like, I don't even know what that is. Whoa, love it. Back here, there are the straps tucked away. That's killer. So when you go into briefcase mode, you obviously tuck these away so they don't just kind of flap everywhere. Otherwise, you'd be walking around with this and it just would not work. How does this work? What? Oh, this is neat as. So down here, we've got the clips, and then we are in backpack mode. We have a chest strap, which is super handy. Just helps take a little bit of the weight off your shoulders, kind of brings them in a little bit. There's also little pockets inside here as well, which I'm guessing is for like potentially like a mini wallet or I don't know, like headphones or something that you want to like easily access. Oh, I didn't even notice that. So it's got this, which is obviously for like when you got your carry-on luggage or your luggage for the airport, you can slip it over the handle. So now as we go into it, there's these strap things. This is like bloody well designed, hey, this is sick. And then where is the main, oh here we go. So this is the main bulk of the backpack. All right, so there's a lot going on in here. All right, so on this side we have some a mesh compartment at the top, a sealed compartment down the bottom. They are massive as well. Dang, there is what the hell? Oh, so this is the front bit. That's killer. So if you want to access stuff from the inside, then you can do that as well. Little mesh compartment, and then we've got a whole bunch of accessories. This main one is just, again, another big compartment. So I guess you put all your stuff in here, and then you then put these in here to kind of make it a little bit more organized. Just looks like a real soft bag. Chuck some stuff in there, bam. So this, I guess, doesn't really relate to camera gear too much, but these little things are so good for when you're traveling with clothes, I guess. So well, I've got a few of these, and what they're super handy for is just like your underwear or your socks or like shirts and stuff, and you can like kind of separate everything, and then you can just slap these in there, and then you just have to take out like one thing rather than trying to dig through all your clothes. So they're actually super handy. This looks like handbag, satchel. 2 compartments in here and one big one at the back, and then obviously you can clip this on, yeah, bam, and then use this as a bit of like a side strap thing. These are so good for like if you just want something light. So say if you just wanted to take like, I don't know, 1 or 2 lenses and like some batteries and just something small, or like you can even fit like an iPad or something in there. Chuck in these, and then you basically just like throw it over your back and you can just run around. You don't have to take the whole bag, because sometimes you don't need all the stuff. You reckon you can even probably fit a drone in there. Oh, and you can tuck this away, that's killer. Slip that in there, and then you can just use it as an open backpack. You don't have to actually use this mesh bit. Overall, this is like a very, very well designed bag. Not gonna lie. Oh, and it's got little, oh man, they've literally thought about everything. So there's little like hooks on here, so you can hook on your keys or just stuff that you need quick access to. That is so good. All right guys, hold your horses. I literally missed a whole compartment. So I just started getting ready to like take my laptop out and put it in here and stuff, and I was like, oh, doesn't fit in the front. Must have to put it in here. And then I was like, I don't really want to put it in there because that's kind of like where your clothes and stuff go. And then I was like, surely they've thought about literally everything. How could they have not thought about a laptop compartment? And then I went to the back here and I realized that there was another little compartment up here. It's like a 3/4 one. There's even more stuff in here. It's like a Christmas gift that never stops giving. This is sick. Big compartment in here, a whole bunch of little ones to chuck in like SD cards and stuff. This is where the camera stuff comes in. Got a little one in here. So there's actually an iPad or a tablet case, and then a laptop one. This makes way more sense now. I'm very excited to put my laptop in here and test it how it goes. The other cool thing is that it looks pretty big, so you might even be able to fit like 17-inch laptop in here. I'll have to do some testing, but very excited to see how big of a laptop you can actually put in. Oh, and there's another zip here as well. What the how? Is there so many compartments? I don't understand. I'm pretty sure that's all the compartments. I'm sure if I find some others, I'll come back and tell you guys about it, but for now, that is everything, I think. All right, so I'm super excited to test this out. So I'm gonna make this my daily driver backpack thing for the next week or so, test it out, and then I will give you my full review on it once I've done a proper test of this. Alright guys, so I have been testing out the Nordepack for the last few weeks and I am seriously impressed by this thing. Now firstly, I have to mention that I haven't actually been using it as a camera bag because it doesn't come with any padding to protect your camera gear. But if I was to get some padding and throw it in there to protect my camera gear, which I probably will end up doing, it would make an absolutely killer camera bag. The big win for this bag, apart from the fact that it has about 10 million different little hidey holes, is the fact that it is ridiculously comfy. Compared to my actual camera bags, this thing just sits so much nicer on my back and is so much comfier to wear, especially for long periods of time. My main camera bag, although it is super nice to fit a lot of camera gear in there, when you're wearing it for a long period of time, it is super uncomfortable and it just starts digging into your lower back. So compared to this thing is an absolute dream to wear. The stretchy chest strap, although it first seemed like a bit of a gimmick, after using it, this actually makes such a big difference. When you're walking, the stretch actually allows the bag to move ever so slightly instead of being rigid and digging into your shoulders, which gives you a way more comfortable fit, especially over long periods of time. The option to have it super slim or expanded is an absolutely fantastic idea, as often we're not always using all the space inside our camera bag and leftover space is either wasted or just allows for the stuff inside to move around. But being able to use the straps to pull everything together to make sure it's a super snug fit means that your belongings don't get thrown around inside the bag. Having the ability to pack away the shoulder straps and transform it into a briefcase seemed like a bit of a gimmick at first, but again, super practical. The most annoying thing about backpacks is when you're not actually carrying them like a backpack and the shoulder straps just fling around and get in the way of everything. This completely solves that problem by allowing you to tuck the shoulder straps in behind the actual backpack itself. Honestly guys, the only thing I don't like about this camera bag is the fact it didn't come with camera inserts, although it's not actually a camera bag, and the fact it doesn't have a waist strap. So guys, I hope you enjoyed my look at the Nordepack Backpack. If you want to know more about this or where to buy it, I'll leave some links below. If you like this one, consider liking and subscribing. And as always, stay creative and just be you. See ya. Quickly do a little one of these because last time there was heaps of dandruff and shiz all over me. The stretchy, oh my goodness, I'm actually starting to lose my voice. The most annoying things about backpack is when, image come with